10 steps for planting radishes in pots. 1. Select the right container. Choose a pot or container that is at least 6-8 inches deep and has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Radishes have shallow roots, so a wide pot with ample room for the roots to spread is ideal. 2. Choose a suitable potting mix. Fill the container with a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and rich in organic matter. Avoid using garden soil, as it may compact in containers and hinder root growth. 3. Sow radish seeds. Plant radish seeds directly into the prepared potting mix. Make shallow furrows or holes in the soil, spacing the seeds about 1 inch apart. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and gently pat them down. 4. Watering. Water the soil thoroughly after planting to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged throughout the growing season. Watering regularly is essential, especially during hot weather, to prevent the soil from drying out. 5. Placement. Place the container in a sunny location where the radishes will receive at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Radishes can tolerate some shade, but they will grow best in full sun. 6. Thinning. Once the radish seedlings emerge and develop their first true leaves, thin them out to allow enough space for the remaining plants to grow. Space the seedlings to -3 inches apart to give them room to mature. 7. Fertilizing. Radishes are relatively light feeders and do not require heavy fertilization. If desired, you can apply a balanced fertilizer or compost once or twice during the growing season to provide additional nutrients. 8. Pest and disease control. Monitor the radish plants regularly for signs of pests such as aphids or flea beetles, as well as diseases like damping off or root rot. Control pests and diseases promptly using organic methods such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. 9. Harvesting. Radishes typically mature within 3-4 weeks after planting, depending on the variety. Harvest them when they reach their desired size, usually about 1-2 inches in diameter. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the radishes just above the soil line. 10. Succession planting. To extend your radish harvest, sow seeds in succession every 1-2 weeks throughout the growing season. This will ensure a continuous supply of fresh radishes for your culinary needs. By following these steps, you can successfully grow radishes in pots and enjoy their crisp, peppery flavor in salads, sandwiches, and other dishes. Experiment with different radish varieties to discover your favorites.